people, good morning YouTube. It's Sunday, September the 2nd, 12 o'clock. I'm on my way to Woodstock again. I've been going to Woodstock lately very often. She saw the sandwich cooler at the end of the day on Friday, and it was on high temperature, so she made a report. So here I am. This sandwich cooler is an old piece of unit. The brand is Better Built. No, Better Built. No, that's not the name. Built something. I cannot remember now. Don't remember well. So it's self-contained. Condensing unit at the bottom, exposed to the dust. I don't know if you can hear it. Look here. My brakes. Those are my brakes. I need to replace them very soon. So self-contained, exposed. The condensate coil is exposed to the dust of the people who walk through the store, and most of the time we have to go and wash the not wash but brush the condensate coil because it's full pack of crap. I remember in the past in this sandwich cooler we have a problem with the compressor, and I don't remember, I think somebody replaced the compressor already, but we have capacitor problems and the compressor problem. But the compressor is new so far, I know, if I remember right. So anything can be. And today is Sunday morning, is double time, and tomorrow is Labor Day, so also tomorrow is double time. So So this is what it is. So I'm on my way to Woodstock, and let's take a look and see what they got. See you there, guys. The story of my life. All right. Of course I have something going on. I don't know why I have to give up on this. When I'm on call, I got a friend's birthday and I have to go there, and of course we get together to have the party and all that. He's a good friend of mine. So I have this call in Woodstock. I just went inside to check the unit, and of course I thought that probably was the condensate coil dirty or something minor, you know. Of course it wasn't. So I'm gonna show you what I got. See you in a minute. Master Build, that's the name of the unit. Have an evaporator coil completely frozen, which is gonna take me hours to defrost, and then I have to still troubleshoot it and see why. So at this point I got two things to do: or I just put a bomb on this machine and blow it away, or I just fix it. So I believe I have to fix it. We have. So I'm gonna be here for a while. just brushed the coil. The evaporator coil is clean. All 3 evaporator fans are running. The condenser fans are running too. I checked that out. I got my gauges and we're gonna have some pressure readings and see what we got. The thermostat seems to be working. I don't know about the clock. The clock seems to be replaced recently. So we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna let the unit run for a few minutes and see what we got. I also made a mark on the defrost clock. I'm gonna see if the clock is working.
Hi, how are you?
Alright. Freaking nightmare. It's an old piece of equipment. Condenser coil was 30. The defrost clock, it was set up to three defrost per day of 30 minutes, I guess. So I changed it to, no, actually it was 25 minutes, so I changed it to 30. Pressures are fine. TXB is good. Thermostat is fine too. The thermostat is set up to 28 degrees. She's gonna be there in a few minutes, I guess. The evaporator is clean. The evaporator fans and condenser fans are running. So that's how far we can go today. I'm on call. So tomorrow is Labor Day. I hope the unit can hold through the week. I would like to come back and have another pressure reading. The side glass is solid, no bubbles, and the defrost clock is alright. Pressures were 45 over 215, 4048. It wasn't at 33 degrees right now. So I gotta check again. Like I said, the defrost clock, it was alright. Thermostat, it was alright. The unit is an old equipment and it got several water leaks, so we may need to come back someday and see if we can silicone it. Right now it's soaking wet, so I would like to come another day when it's completely dry. It was a pain in the ass to remove that ice because you know, the drain pan, it was leaking everywhere, so I have to be using the vacuum and dump it outside and get another bucket of hot water and dump it out with the you know, with the vacuum. Pain in the ass. So like I said before, all my people are all together in a friend's house and they doing a barbecue. Well, they didn't start it, but they just told me a few minutes ago that they're gonna start in a few minutes. So perfect timing. I'm gonna grab my stuff and I'm gonna go. But everything else is pretty much alright. Tomorrow is Labor Day, and I got the feeling that they're gonna call me. Right now it's pretty hot, and probably in the 90s. It surprised me that I didn't have any other calls. You know, very surprised me. In a day like today, I used to get jammed with service calls, and today nothing is going on besides this. Let's see what happens tomorrow. But so far, hey, everything is alright. Pain in the ass equipment, not too much that I can mention, just the painful service, dealing with the ice. Something that I have in mind is that I would like to get a transfer pump, or you know, something that I can, at the same time that I dump in water into evaporator, I can be sucking it out immediately, so I don't get overflow, you know. but that's something that I may need to get. So if somebody got an idea what I'm looking for, just put it in the comment on the bottom so I can check. The one I have is just, it has to be prime, so probably that is not good. It has to be something that it can be sucking water all the time without priming. So, and it has to be small. Alright, so let me get on my stuff and let me get out of here. I hope they don't call me for the rest of the day. Alright guys, thank you for watching.